Hello everyone, welcome to my Blender tutorial series. In this series I'm going to be making a robot character, a very basic one. So I'm going to make the robot and then import him into Unity and then walk around. So the series is going to be in different parts, 4, 5 or maybe even 6. The first one is going to be modeling, where I'm going to make the model of the character. The second one is going to be texturing, where I'm going to color it. Third one is going to be rigging the bones and how each part moves in relation to the bone. The fourth one is going to be animation, and there might be, for example, in animation there's only going to be walk animation. I'm not going to do that much, and there might be a part between animation and rigging. Weight painting, that would depend on how the automatic weight painting works. If it works okay, I'm not going to make the part, but after that, after the whole character is made, I'm going to import him into Unity and just walk around. And that's going to be it for this video. This is just an overview of what we're going to do in the series, and thank you for watching and listening. See you next time.